Welcome back to my channel, Food to Relish. Guys, today I'm making a simple one, custard. So I've been meaning to make this video for the longest time, but one of my subscribers asked that I make it, so I'm making it sooner than later. You need your dry custard, your milk, your sugar, optional, and then honey. Okay, so I've got 2 plates here because I'll be making 2 different custards, guys. One is like the English one and one is like the normal African style. So get your water boiling and then you get your custard ready. So I'm going to show you some of the common mistakes we make when we make custard. Okay, so I put the custard, just the dry bit, into this. It's really good to know how to make custard, because if you're traveling and you don't want the wet custard, you know, the liquid one, you go with the dry one and you can make it yourself, right? So you put little amount of water and then you keep mixing, because whenever it's too runny, sometimes it goes wrong easily. That's what people say, it goes wrong easily. And trust me, custard is easier to make than pap, you know, the akamu that we make in Nigeria. Yes, custard is far easier to make, but sometimes it can still go wrong, like I'm going to show you in this video. So if you want it thick like the Nigerians would love it, let the mixture be slightly thicker. It doesn't really matter, you can make it thick and then make it liquid at the end, you know, it's totally up to you. And then just add my water as well. If it's your first time joining this channel, thank you so much, and please subscribe, click the notification bell to get notified of all of our videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, I am really grateful. Like, you don't know how grateful I am. Okay, so while the hot water boils, I just keep combining this until it's nice like that, and this is what it should look like. Okay, once the hot water boils, I lift it up like almost immediately. Okay, you need boiling water for this. So watch what happens to this custard. This is what you don't want to happen to your custard. So the commonest mistake that happens with custard is that it becomes too cooked and it has lumps inside and you can't drink it. But the other subtle mistake that some people complain of is this one you're looking at right now. So it looks very pale. If you taste this custard, it's not cooked. That's because I haven't added enough hot water to it. So I set it aside. I'm going to discard it, unfortunately, or I add more hot water. But just keep watching. I want you to see the difference in the 2 custards. See the way that other one looks pale? You don't want it to look pale, especially when you haven't added milk. This one looks deep golden. That is when you know that it's properly done. And if you can taste these 2 custards right now, you can tell the huge difference. All right, so you want it to look deep golden like this. Compare the 2. This one looks pale and it's raw, and this other one is good. Okay, let's set that aside and we'll go to the next one. So I'm going to remake this one and you see what it should look like. But first of all, I'll add sugar, because it's good to add your sugar and milk while the custard is hot, because it helps the sugar to melt into. You can use your liquid milk or the dry milk. Remember that Nigerians like their custard very thick, so I'm using the dry milk and I'm adding just some more water for it to combine properly. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far, and put a comment just to say yes, I enjoyed it, and share it if you can to people who might like it. Yeah, and then click the notification bell. Okay, let's repeat this custard again. So just the entire process repeated again. Okay, You see? So I keep boiling the water again. And you're gonna see. So you want that golden color, and once it starts to appear, be careful with the water. If you add too much, it becomes too liquid and you don't want it either. So see the way I'm trying to get the pale bit combined into the hot water. It still needs some more hot water, although it's golden, you know, it still needs some more hot water. And remember, I'm trying to make like the runny kind of custard that the Irish and the English use to enjoy their pastries, you know, things like cake, you know, chocolate cake or lemon cake. So I add more hot water to make sure it's well cooked, although it's well cooked right now. And then I add some milk. I'm not going to be adding sugar to this because I'm going to be using very sweet cake to enjoy it soon. Yes. So I want this one a bit runny because it's like, and most times it's served cool, you know, most times it's served cool with your pastry. Yes. Not like, you know, the one we eat in Africa is warm, you know, you enjoy it with lovely breakfast. So they're all nice in their different respects. They're all really nice. I empty it into my bowl and I'm going to show you guys. I add some more milk. Yes, I am an enjoyment lady, but come on. I add some more milk and I add some honey. And then I add some of my, guess what, my favorite cake, you know, lemon cake. Like, chances are that if you visit my house 2 times out of 4, I have lemon cake in the house, and I'm not even joking. So I add my lemon cake, and guys, I don't even want to tell you how this tasted. It was really nice, but let me enjoy my Niger style first with okpa or akara, as you can see. And I enjoy it, and then I set it aside. I'm going to come back to that one later. Let's enjoy this sweetness, guys. If you've had something like this, let me know. It's really, 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 really nice. I am not exaggerating. You know, I don't tell you guys lies. I tell you the way it is. This is really, really nice. Try it and let me know what you think. If you've been drinking your custard without your pastries, try it with this method. Honestly, I'm sure you'd like it. And let me know what you think in the comment below. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for all of your comments, your subscriptions, and your likes. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. You can tell just by looking.